Okay, here we're going to try and apply the theory of making iced filter coffee by the cup to a batch brewer like the Moccamaster, where you might be brewing many cups at one time. So normally we would use 60 grams of coffee to a litre of water, but here we're going to do 65 grams of coffee, ground a little bit finer than you would if you were just preparing hot coffee. Apportion 600 grams of the water in the reservoir, but put 400 grams of ice in the carafe underneath. When you start the brewer, it's really important to get the coffee grounds really thoroughly wet and give it a bit of an extra stir to encourage a bit more extraction. If you have the select model of the Moccamaster, you can put it on the slow flow rate for a smaller batch size, which will just help to increase the contact time that little bit and encourage a bit more of a full extraction. Once all the coffee's drained through, it's going to start to melt over the ice, and you can encourage that with a bit of a stir. And then when you've got your nice chilled down coffee, serve it over large chunks of ice, which will keep it nice and cool as you enjoy it.